Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix cannot make phone calls in your iPhone 16 plus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Scroll down, here it is apps. You have to search here phone like this. Click on it, scroll down, click on call forwarding. You can check if it is open, then you will not make calls. Then you have to show here block contact. If you have blocked any contact, just unblock it. And you can check also Wi-Fi calling also, you have to disable it. And if then it is not working, you have to press back and search here reset like this. You have to search, then you have to reset your network settings, then you have to click on reset, and here it is ask for which reset. Click on reset network setting, then enter the passcode, and friends, it will fix your reset network setting. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.